Okay, dear students, today we are going to start the first chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, uh, before that, I want to uh, give a platform to you to introduce yourself, because I don't know many of the students from Indira Gandhi Residential School, Mudgal. That's why I want to know about you. Okay, right. One by one, please introduce yourself. I know in Kitturani Channama Residential School students very well, but I don't know about Indira Gandhi Residential School, those who are studying in 8th standard. Okay, that's why introduce yourself. Okay, I am Somnath Pamunkellur, MSc B.Ed in mathematics. I came before coming to Indira Gandhi Residential School. I worked as a math teacher in Kitturani Channama Residential School, Adivi Bavi. Now I transferred to new school, Indira Gandhi Residential School, Mudgal, as maths teacher. Okay, so same way, yourself introduce. First, Nagesh. Nagesh, please introduce yourself. Nagesh. On your speaker, by touching the screen, at the bottom there are two icons, mic and video icon. On both and speak with me. Introduce yourself. Nagraj, listening me? Nagesh, not Nagraj, Nagesh.
Sir.
Yes. In the same way, on your video, screen touch ಮಾಡು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಟನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ. ನಾಗೇಶ್, ಯಾವೂರು ನಿಂದು?
ಹಡಗಲಿ ತಾಂಡ ಸರ್.
ಹಡಗಲಿ ತಾಂಡ. ಓಕೆ,
ಸರ್.
ಹಡಗಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಡಗಲಿ ತಾಂಡದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೀಯಾ?
ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗಣಿತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್.
ಡೈಲಿ ಅದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಬಿಟ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವಿನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಹನಾ ರಾಠೋಡ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಬಾಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾತಾಡು. ಸಹನಾ ರಾಠೋಡ್. ರೈಟ್. ನಮ್ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ರೈಟ್, ಗೊತ್ತು. ಬಹಳ ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದೆ. ರೈಟ್. ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಕೂಡ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡವಿ ಬಾವಿಯಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ವಿಜಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಭೂಮಿಕಾ. ಭೂಮಿಕಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಂಜನಾ ಕೆ. ಸಂಜನಾ ಕೆ, ನೀನು ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡವಿ ಬಾವಿನಾ? ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಮೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು? ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ. ಯಾವುದು?
ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್.
ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಯಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ. ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡು ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬಟನ್, ಅದೇ ಬಟನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಆಫ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶಕುಂತಲಾ
ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹಾ ರೈಟ್. ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೇನಮ್ಮ? ಓ ಶಕುಂತಲಾ. ಅನುಷಾ ಅನುಷಾ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ಸೀತಮ್ಮ ಸೀತಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ಸರಿ. ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹಲೋ ಅಂಬಿಕಾ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್, ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ರೈಟ್. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ 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 ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡೂನು. ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ಸರಿ. ಸಾಂಚಿ ಕೂಡ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿವಿ ಬಾವಿ. ಸಹನಾ ರಾಠೋಡ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅಂಬಿಕಾ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲು? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀನ್?
ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ.
ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮದವರೇ ಬಾಳ ಇದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಅವರು ಸೋಮನಾಥ್ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ, ಇನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸರಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ we have to start the class now. So today start with a new chapter, that is playing with numbers. Okay, right. So playing with numbers. Today we are going to start playing with numbers. In this, see, you have studied various types of numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. You have also studied a number of intersecting properties among them. In class 6, we explore finding factors and multiples and the relationships among them. In this chapter, we will explore numbers in more detail. These ideas help in justifying tests of divisibility. See, in 6th standard and 7th standard, we also studied about divisibility test. So divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 5, divisibility by 9, okay, divisibility by 10. So we all studied the divisibility rules. See, one numbers in general form. How will we write numbers in general form? See here, 52. 52 be written as 50 plus 2. 50 can be written as 10 into 5 because 5 is at tens place. 2 is at unit place. That is why 2 into 1. So 10 into 5 1 into 2. So similarly, the number 37 can be written as 37 is equal to 10 into 3 plus 7. In general, two digit numbers AB, if you take two digit number AB made of digits A and B, can be written as AB is equal to 10 into A plus B, or 10A plus B. So if you write BA, so in this B is at 10's place. So 10 into B plus A. So 10B plus A. Then what about BA? So that is also same here written. Okay. Only face value changes, place value remains same. Okay. Let us now take numbers 351. This is a 3-digit number. It can also be written as 351, be written as 300 plus 50 plus 1. 300 can be written as 100 into 3. Aishwarya, off your speaker. Aishwarya, off your speaker. Aishwarya, listening?
Yes, sir.
Off your speaker. Aishwarya, please off your speaker. Okay. See, 351 can be written as 300 plus 50 plus 1. 300 means 100 into 3, because it is 3 is at a 100's place. 100 into 3. 5 is at a 10's place. 10 into 5 plus 1 is at 1's place. 1 into 1. So in the same way, we write 497 as 100 into 4 plus 10 into 9 plus 1 into 7. Okay, in general, a 3-digit number ABC made up of digits A, B and C is written as ABC is 100 into A plus 10 into B plus 1 into C. That is 100A plus 10B plus C. In the same way, CAB. So first term becomes, last term becomes first term becomes second term becomes third. Nodri, A first ittu, illi second term agide. ಬಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ at 100's place, that's why 100C. A is at 10's place, that is 10A, plus B is at unit place, that is B. Next circular position, C is at first place, here it is second place. A is in the first place, becomes third place. Second place becomes third place. B is in the first place, becomes last. Last becomes first. So B, C, A. So in this, B is at 100's place, so 100B plus 10C plus A written here. If we add all the three-digit numbers in cyclic order, then what happens? We will see that in next. Okay, see here, write the following numbers in generalized form. So just we studied about how to write generalized form here. Okay, so you can try these things. Okay, write the following numbers in generalized form: 25, 73, 129, 302. Write the following in the usual form: 10 into 5 plus 6. So usual form alli baribekandre eshtagutte? 10 into 5 is 50 plus 6, 56. So this is 56. This is 718. Okay, like that you write all these. Okay, next, reversing the digits, 2-digit number. Reversing the digits. So reversing the digit ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ we are reversing 2-digit numbers. What will happen? See here, Meenakshi asks Sundaram to think of 2-digit number and then to do whatever she asks him to do. To that number, there conversation is shown in the following figure. Study the figure carefully before reading on. See here. Choose a 2-digit number. To what? Whom? To Meenakshi. So Meenakshiಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರು? Sundaram. Meenakshi. So Meenakshi, reverse the digits to get a new number. Okay, so again add this to the number, add this to the number you started with. Okay, now divide the answer by 11. There won't be any remainder. ಈ ತರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಸುಂದರಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಚೂಸಸ್ 49. ಸುಂದರಂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ 49 ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 94. ಸೊ 49 ಇದ್ದು 94 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ 143. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ಆಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 143. ಸೊ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 143 by 11. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 11. 11 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? ಕೊಸೆಂಟ್ 13 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ಕೊಸೆಂಟ್ 13 ಬಂತು. ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಎಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಸುಂದರಮು. It happens that Sundaram choose the number 49, so he get the reversed number 94. Then he added these two numbers and got 143. Finally, we divided this number by 11 and got 143 divided by 11 is 13 with no remainder. This is just what Meenakshi had predicted. So this happens for not only this 49, it happens for all the 2-digit numbers. See, now let us see if we can explain Meenakshi's trick. Suppose Sundaram chooses the number AB, okay, which is a short form of the 2-digit number, that is 10A plus B. So AB can be written as 10A plus B because A is at 10's place, that is why 10A, plus B is at unit place, that is plus B. On reversing the digits, he gets the number BA. B is at 10's place, that is 10B. A is at unit place plus A. When we add the two numbers, we get what? 10A plus B. First number, that is 10A plus B, and second number 10B plus A. 10B plus A. Here how many B's are there? 10A plus A, there are 11A. B plus 10B, there are 11B. 11A plus 11B, in this 11 is common. In this 11 is common, taken out. What will remain in the bracket? A and B. A plus B. So every number is the quotient of this two reversed numbers. So the sum is always a multiple of 11. So ಎರಡನ್ನು sum ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it is always a multiple of 11, just as Meenakshi had claimed. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ 2-digit ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 11 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಅವಳು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇದು 11 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ಸ್ a remainder. Observe here that if we divide the sum by 11, the quotient is A plus B. So 11 ಇಂದ ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. quotient ಏನು ಉಳಿತದ? A plus B, which is exactly the sum of the digit of chosen number AB. Chosen number AB. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 49 ಇತ್ತು. 49 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 4 plus 9 is 13. So here quotient is 13. In this quotient is 13. Okay, like that we can use the trick. Okay. Again, one more game we have to play here. You may check this same by taking any other 2-digit number. The game between Meenakshi and Sundaram continues. Think of another 2-digit number, but don't tell me what it is. All right, Sundaram, all right anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Meenakshi, now reverse the digit of the number and subtract the smaller number from the larger number. This time she said to subtract with the reversed number. Okay, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಒಂದ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಒಂದ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಸೊ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ. ಸುಂದರಂ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ವಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಸುಂದರಂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿ, ನೌ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೈ 9. Divide your answer by 9. I claim that there will be no remainder again. So how you are so sure of this ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀನಾಕ್ಷಿನ. In fact, Sundaram had thought of 29. So his calculations were, first he got the number 92, then he got 92 minus 29. ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 29 ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 63. The finally he divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 sevens are, and got 7 as quotient. This is no remainder. Again here 92, in previously we took 92, so 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is the quotient here, and no remainder. Have you got this game with numbers? Have you all got the point or not? Hello dear students. Hello. So on your speaker.
Yes, sir.
Have you all understood or not?
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೈತೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, sorry. Please off the speaker. Next, try these. So check what the result would have been if Sundaram had chosen the numbers shown below. So 17 ತಗೊಂಡ 71 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 71 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So we have to check it for all these. Okay, suppose he choose the 2-digit number AB, that is written as 10A plus B, because 10A is at a tens place and B is at a unit place. After reversing the digits, he gets the number BA. So B is at tens place, that is 10B, and A is at unit place, that is A. Now Meenakshi tells him to do a subtraction again. So smaller number from the larger number. If the tens digit is larger than the ones digit, that is A is greater than B, he does 10A plus B minus B plus A, okay, is equal to 10A plus B minus into plus is minus 10B, minus into plus is minus A. 10A minus A is 9A. B minus 10B is minus 9B. ದೊಡ್ಡದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದನ್ನ ಕಳಿತೀವಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10B ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1B ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ಸೊ 10B ನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ 9. 9 ನಂಬರು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ minus 9B. In these two, 9 is taken outside common as common. So what will remain in the bracket? A minus B. Okay, if you divide, so it is the multiple of 9, means you can easily divide by 9 and you will get the remainder 0 and quotient as a minus b. See here, if the ones digit is larger than the tens digit, that is b is greater than a, it does. So again you can, if b is greater, then 10b plus a minus 10a plus b. So this becomes again 9 of b minus a. And of course, if a is equal to b, he gets 0. In each case, the resulting number is divisible by 9. So the remainder is 0. Observe that here that if we divide the resulting number by subtracting, the quotient is a minus b or b minus a, according as a is greater than b or a is less than b. You may check the same by taking any other two digit numbers. This is also same for reversing the digits. If you reverse the 3-digit numbers by trickily, so 3-digit number, you may take any 3-digit number. If you add all the 3-digit numbers and divide by 99, sure that it has no remainder. Okay, so before Meenakshi chooses 3-digit number as 349. So 349, ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲ 943 943 minus 349 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 594. 594 ನ 99 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6% ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ is 0. So try these. Okay, try all these things and also write these all things in note. Okay, okay, remaining will discuss in the tomorrow class. So tomorrow means day after tomorrow. So today is Tuesday, Thursday. So we will meet again in Thursday class. Okay, right. So try to play the games, okay, by reversing and adding, by reversing and subtracting for 2-digit number and 3-digit number. Enjoy the, bye bye.